everyone, thank you for joining today's session. So today I'm going to cover the OAuth flow that we have in Salesforce. The OAuth flow that I'm going to cover today is PKCE flow. So let's understand what the term PKCE stands for. The term PKCE stands for Proof Key for Code Exchange. Now the question is, when do we use this flow, right? This flow we generally use in case of hybrid mobile app. So in case of hybrid mobile app, we recommend this PKCE flow wherein we can secure the OAuth authorization flow with code challenge and code verifier. So let's see in action how it works. So what I have done is, in my demo org, I have created a connected app, and in this connected app, I have set up the callback URL. And along with that, what I have done is I have checked this checkbox, which is required proof key for code exchange. Along with this, one more thing that needs to be done is enabling the my domain. These are the two things that needs to be done. After this, what I have done is I went to the workbench. You can use any tool of your choice, and we have to hit one endpoint to generate the code verifier and code challenge. So let's see that in action. So we first need to hit this endpoint, which will give us the code verifier and the code challenge. So it will be a get call. So let's run this. So we see this particular code challenge and code verifier, and the code challenge method is S256. So let's go here and paste this. Now next, what we need to do is we need to hit the authorize endpoint, and in this authorize endpoint, what we need to do this, we need to pass the client ID, we need to pass the redirect URL, which is nothing but the callback URL which I have set up. The response type should be code, and the code challenge should be nothing but the one which I have received in the top. Now one thing I will do is, let me just change this redirect URL here as well, and that's the only change I need to do, and let me add it in my browser. So if everything works well, then we should get the auth code. So this is the auth code that we have received. So let's copy this auth code, and once we have received this auth code, what we will do is we will simply go to this next endpoint basically. So I will be showing it up. So what we will be doing right now is we will be replacing everything in this code, right? And just replace this %3d with equal to, because that is a encoded value. Now we'll do a post call to this endpoint. So we'll go to workbench, we'll go to post, we'll put this as an endpoint, and as a header, we will just set this header as content type application URL form encoded. This is the one that we need to set, and this is the request that we will be sending. So if we send this post request, so what we noticed is we are getting invalid code verifier, meaning the code verifier is wrong here. So what we will do is we'll go to this particular code verifier that we have received. So we will just paste this code verifier with the one that we have received, and let's try again. So let's try to hit it. If everything works well, then we should ideally get the access token, which we are receiving here, along with the other parameters. So this is all which I wanted to cover. Thank you for watching this video. One humble request to you all: if you are liking my content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.